Welcome to TravelScout, where we scout out the best travel destinations and experiences. Today, we're in Newark, New Jersey to explore the best things to do in this bustling city. From history to art to food, Newark has something for everyone. So, let's get started. First up, we have the Newark Museum of Art. This museum is home to an impressive collection of art and artifacts from around the world, including works by American and European artists, as well as ancient Egyptian, Asian, and African art. You can also explore the museum's science and history exhibits, which feature everything from dinosaur fossils to local history. The museum also hosts a variety of events and programs, such as lectures, workshops, and family activities. It's a great spot for art and history enthusiasts. Next, we have the Newark Public Library. This historic library is a gem of Newark's cultural heritage, featuring a beautiful Beaux-Arts building and a vast collection of books, documents, and manuscripts. You can browse the library's stacks or take a guided tour to learn about its history and architecture. The library also hosts a variety of events and programs, such as book clubs, author talks, and workshops. It's a great spot for book lovers and history buffs. Moving on, we have the Prudential Center. This state-of-the-art arena is home to the New Jersey Devils of the National Hockey League and a variety of other sports and entertainment events. You can catch a game or concert and experience the energy and excitement of the arena, or take a guided tour to learn about its history and behind-the-scenes operations. The arena also hosts a variety of events, such as comedy shows, family shows, and music festivals. It's a great spot for sports fans and music lovers. Our next stop is the Ironbound neighborhood. This vibrant neighborhood is a culinary and cultural hub of the city, featuring a variety of Portuguese, Spanish, and Brazilian restaurants, shops, and events. You can sample authentic cuisine, such as grilled seafood, chorizo, and paella, or browse the local markets and shops. The neighborhood also hosts a variety of events, such as street festivals and live music. It's a great way to experience the flavors and diversity of Newark. Finally, we have the Cathedral Basilica of the Sacred Heart. This stunning Gothic Revival cathedral is one of the largest in the country and a spiritual and cultural landmark of Newark. You can attend a mass or service and experience the beauty and solemnity of the cathedral, or take a guided tour to learn about its history and art. The cathedral also hosts a variety of events, such as concerts and art exhibitions. It's a great way to appreciate the majesty and spirituality of Newark. And that's our list of the best things to do in Newark, New Jersey. From art, to history, to sports, to food, to spirituality, Newark has it all. So, come and experience the energy and culture of this amazing city. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next adventure.